Hello guys, Namaste, Assalamu alaikum. This is Jalwar Singh. Today we will study the type of function. Already we have covered in two function, R2 function. Today we will study the one function and R2 function. So first we will study the one function, or we call it injective function. So a function f from A to B is called one function if distinct element of set A have distinct image in B is called one. Is called. So a function from f from A to B is called one function. One function if distinct element of set A have distinct images in B is called one function, or we call it injective function. So let's move to the example to clarify the definition. So we have the A set and we have the B set. So in A set we have members 1, 2, 3. In B set we have members 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 is imaged with the 3, 2 is imaged with the 4, and 3 imaged with the 5. So now we will give discussion about the one function. So if distinct element of set A have distinct images in B is called. So only one element is made with the 3, so it will be once time. It will not repeated. I can say that वन है ना, वो इससे नहीं हो सकता, मतलब एट ए टाइम वन दो से नहीं हो सकता, तो उसको हम बोलते हैं. और ये भी बोल सकते हैं कि the element of set B are pre-imaged with A once time. So that is all about one function, and also we call it injective function. So that is all about injective function. Now we will study the one and R2 function. One and R2 function and our bijective function. What is one and R2 function or bijective function? A function from A to B is called one function or R2 function or bijective function if distinct element of set A have distinct image in B, and also range f is equal to B, is known as the one function or bijective function. So let's write the definition to clear. So So guys, if function f from a to b if distinct is said to be one function or onto function if distinct element of set A have distinct image in B and also range f is equal to B is called one function or onto function, or we call it bijective function. So let's move towards the example to clarify the definition. Suppose A and B. A have member 1, 2, 3. B has member 4, 5, 6. So 1 is image with 4 and 2 is image with 5 and 3 image with 6. So now we what we say that the 4 is pre-image with A 1, 5 is pre-image with 2, 6 is pre-image with 3, and that is also distinct element of set A with distinct have distinct image in with the set of B, and also we call it B range f is equal to B. So that is all about the one and onto function or bijective function. So this is all about the one and onto function. So now we will give another example. Suppose like to say A and B, A, B, C, X, Y and Z. So A, B and Z. So that is also f is equal to B, and also distinct element of set A are have image have a distinct image in X. So that is why we call it one function or onto function or bijective function. So this is we call it A or B. So A, B, C or X, A, B, C, D. We call it, this is not the one function or onto function. Why? Because f range is not equal to, this is the one function, but this is not the onto function. Why? Because range f is not equal to b. That is why we cannot say that is onto one function or onto function. So that is all about the one function and onto function. And thank you very much.